What if the Earth's magnetic field suddenly reversed for 1 second? Earth's magnetic shield is about to fail for just 1 second. That's all the sun needs to unleash hell. Imagine you're just living your life, scrolling on your phone, making a coffee, whatever. Suddenly, for a single silent tick of the clock, the invisible force field that protects our entire planet just flips. It's not gone. It's just pointing the wrong way. It might sound harmless. 1 second is nothing, right? Wrong. In that 1 second, our relationship with the sun, technology, and nature would be broken in the most spectacular way possible. Okay, so what even is this magnetic field? Think of it like Earth's personal bouncer. Deep in the planet's core, a giant engine of molten iron is sloshing around, generating an invisible shield that wraps around the entire globe. This shield, the magnetosphere, does one job, and it does it really well. It keeps the bad stuff out. And the baddest stuff out there is the solar wind. The sun isn't just a friendly ball of light. It is a raging nuclear furnace that's constantly blasting a stream of highly charged particles in every direction. This cosmic fire hose would strip away our atmosphere, boil our oceans, and irradiate the surface if it ever hit us directly. Our magnetic bouncer deflects it all, day in and day out. But what happens if that bouncer turns around for just 1 second to check a text? So the field reverses. The clock starts 1 second. The first thing that happens is a light show. The solar wind, no longer deflected, slams directly into our upper atmosphere. All over the world, not just at the poles, the sky erupts in the most brilliant auroras ever seen. Beautiful, shimmering curtains of green, pink, and violet light would fill the sky from New York to New Zealand. A gorgeous, terrifying sign that our shield is down. While you're staring at the sky, a wave of electromagnetic energy washes over the planet. It's basically a planet-wide EMP. Every single power grid connected by long wires would overload. Transformers would explode. The world would go dark. Every satellite in orbit, all our precious GPS and communication systems would be fried. Your phone would still work, but the network it connects to? Gone. The GPS telling you how to get to that new taco place? It now thinks you're in the middle of the Pacific Ocean, which is unhelpful. And it's not just our technology. For millions of years, animals have used the magnetic field to navigate. Migratory birds, sea turtles, whales, they all have a built-in compass. For that 1 second, their internal GPS wouldn't just be wrong, it would be screaming nonsense. They'd be utterly, completely lost, and then it's over. The second passes, the field snaps back to normal, the auroras fade. The solar wind is once again being held back, so we're safe, right? Kind of. The immediate threat is gone. You weren't fried by radiation. But the consequences of that 1 second are just beginning. We're now living in a world thrown back 100 years, technologically speaking. The global power grid is down, and it's not a simple fix. It would take months, maybe years, and trillions of dollars to repair the damage. No internet, no credit cards, no modern logistics. Our entire civilization, which is built on a delicate web of electricity and information, would grind to a halt. All from 1 single second. It wouldn't be the end of the world, but it would be the end of the world as we know it. A cosmic reboot we were definitely not prepared for. This is Nexus Point, where science meets imagination. Subscribe for more weird questions that make you think and smile.